belong to you. I got your knife, the one that cut me in two. I never had to leave it all behind, but now it feels like I've been wasting my time. Tell me why we won't stare up at the sky like we used to be when we were young. Oh, buckle up your feet, sit back, enjoy the ride, hold on to your seat, paving me the way, California sounds. I'll come back again, ready to be found. Once a simple world seems so far from me. Can't turn back the clock, time will set me free. I'm leaving this for a home on the road. Such a shame how we hurry up to grow old. So slow it down and leave this empty room with lesser doubts and not a life consumed. All we have is now, never be erased, till we're immortalized in wooden frames. Oh, cherish who you love, don't forget your place. As long as you believe, you'll make it, paving me the way, California sounds. I'll come back again, ready to be found. Once a simple world seems so far from me. Can't turn back the clock, but time will set me free.